Hosting with ChargeNextDoor is a great way to earn while supporting the EV community. Before we begin, make sure your device has a good battery charge and is connected to the internet. Let's walk through how to list your charger. To get started, open the app, log in with your account, ensure the account you are logging in with is a host account. Now that you've logged in, you'll notice the Add a Charger option is grayed out. That's because as a host, you need to set up a Stripe Express account. Stripe is our payment provider. It securely deposits the money you earn from renting out your charger into your nominated bank account. To begin, click Onboard to your account button. You'll be redirected to a Stripe webpage, as shown on the screen. Follow the steps to provide your email, phone number, personal details, and bank account information. Before submitting, you'll have a chance to review all your details. Make sure not to change anything under Professional Details. This section displays ChargeNextDoor's website and must remain unchanged. Only update the personal information you've entered. Once you've submitted the form, return to the app and log in with your host account. You'll now see that the Add a Charger button is active. Click on it and fill in your charger details. Specify the name of the charger, your location, connection type, plug type of your charger, charging speed and charging rate, which is how much you want to charge for renting out your charger. You also have the option to specify if you allow users to charge at your place without your attendance. You can do this by toggling the button on or off. In addition to this, you can specify a minimum fee. Specifying this means the user will pay the minimum amount for the least booking time. Once all done, click on Finish Setup button. After your charger details are saved in the system, you'll have the option to update them anytime. We recommend uploading clear photos of your charger and its surroundings. This helps users easily find it. And that's it. That's how you list your charger on ChargeNextDoor. Download the app now and start earning from your charger today.